to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this cute sparkly gel pen by using UV resin. So just stay tuned. I'll show you how I do this quick and easy glitter UV resin pen. So I got these gel pens from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to be using these. I want to do the pink pen, and I'm going to use this Recollection bubblegum, pretty shimmery pink glitter. My J Diction UV resin, and I also have my LED lamp here. And that's pretty much it. So let's begin. I got these little pen holders from Hobby Lobby I'm going to be using. So I like these pens because they don't have a little clip here, and you could easily disassemble them. Let me not lose these. Now what I'm going to do is I use this. Put this little silicone part here. Put the pen. Here. And look, that's it. Easy. So I'm going to put the UV resin on. And now you put on the glitter. Tap the excess. Now we're going to put in the lamp. For 120 seconds. Okay, so we cured it for about 120 seconds. So we're gonna add more UV resin to lock it in. Then you're going to cure it again for another 120 seconds. Okay, now that I finished curing it for a second time, I'm going to remove these. I'm also going to sand it. Just twist this. What I like about this is the silicone. So this part right here, I'll just cut it with my X-Acto knife, and I'm going to sand this, and I'll be right back. So I got my X-Acto knife, and just slowly and carefully gonna remove. Gonna remove this part. Be careful so you don't cut yourself. Start over here. Whatever little bits are left over, like I said, you can sand it. Okay, so the outer shell of the pen was sanded. It's a bit dull looking because it was sanded, but what we're gonna do is to remove some of that dust particle residue is got some alcohol here. I'm gonna clean it up. Now, if you want to, you could also put you could just put another layer of resin and just leave it as is. Or you could put a name on it as well. Just gonna do another layer. We'll be right back. Okay, so now it's nice and smooth. Okay, so I'm going to remove it from here. Now at this point you could just lay like this and assemble it together, or you could add a name. Once again, this little part right here, so then go ahead and cut it off carefully. Nice and pretty. Now let's assemble. Just like that. Very cute pen. Like I said, these are good gifts. Or you could put a name on it, leave it like that. That simple. So this is the end result. Nice, pretty, sparkly pen.